Venti. Where are you, Venti? Okay, there you go. Once again, this is Venti, our red-vented kakadu, or also known as the Philippine kakadu or katala. Okay, Venti, how about the greeting to them? Can you say hello? One more time, make it louder. Hello? Louder. Hi, Venti. And whenever Venti gets excited and surprised, he does some behavior like turning left, right, turn around. Okay, and of course, showing his swings to catch your attention. But very sad to say, these birds are critically endangered due to the destruction of their habitat, and the reason why Venti is here is to ask one favor from us, and that is to protect them by doing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Is that right, Venti? How about a wave goodbye to them? One more time? Okay, a round of applause for our red-vented kakadu, Venti. Now I'm sure you would like to see more birds, right? Right? Yes, of course. Now let me call in our very sweet and charming umbrella kakadu, Yona. Come on, Yona. Okay, once again, that is Yona, our umbrella kakadu, or also known as the white kakadu. All white kakadus are endemic to the tropical rainforest of Indonesia. And whenever Yona gets excited, threatened, or surprised, she always extends her white crest like an umbrella. And sometimes she is too playful. Wow!
Edward!
Okay. Now Yona, you wanna dance with me, right? You wanna dance? Yes! Then DJ, put some music.
Edward!
Ready?
Edward!
Let's dance. Ready? Okay, ready, come on. Wow! Wow! Okay, Yona, how about say goodbye to them? Say bye-bye! Louder! Okay, how about my kiss goodbye? Can you kiss me? Wow! Ang sweet naman. Okay, let's give a round of applause for our umbrella, kakadu, Yona. Bye! Oh, wow! Dancing pa! Thank you so much for that wonderful dance step, Yona. Thank you so much. And now this time, I need a volunteer who has a 20 or 50 peso bill. I need you to raise your money. 20 or 50 pesos. Gusto makita ang pera ninyo? Okay, yes, you baby boy. Please wait for our bird trainer, Kuya Brian. Okay, baby girl, can you please turn off your flashes? Okay, yung mga cameras dyan, pakicheck kung naka-turn on yung mga flashes. Paki-turn off naman po. Okay, ready? Okay, then it's time to meet Ola. Once again, that is Ola, our rose-breasted kakadu, or also known as Magaul from Australia. Okay, now Ola, you know what to do. Thank you so much, baby boy. I got here your 50 pesos. Okay, yes, you baby boy. Okay, sino merong bill dyan?
May mo 20 pesos para pumunta sa yung bird na bill.
Okay, I need you to raise your money. Okay, yes, you ma'am, at the back.
Halika. Ayaw ko na yun. Edward, like that, you do like that. Like that. No, Edward.
Ready?
Only he like that. You do like that, only
Okay.
you do like that. Up.
Okay, please go back to your seats, guys. Pakipaupo naman lang po tayo. Okay, ready? Kuya Brian, make it higher. Thank you so much.
Bon, ano yun mo siya? Tatayo siya. Magbibigay din siya. You give money to the bird. Edward, you
Okay,
stay
now,
here.
Ola, go.
Only here.
Okay. One more time. Okay, yung mga nakatayo sa likod,
Edward naman, si Edward
tayo
naman.
konti. Thank you so much. Okay, one more time, Ola. go.
Edward naman, si Edward naman.
I got here your 20 pesos. Okay, friendly reminder.
Edward naman.
Please do not attempt to touch the bird. It is for your safety, okay guys? Thank you so much. Now, how about another volunteer? But of course, this time, hap, but of course, this time, with much higher bill. Okay, now all I want to see 500 pesos. How about 1,000 pesos? Okay, there you go, baby girl. Please wait for our bird trainer, Kuya Brian, to assist you. Okay, ready? Okay. Now, Anna. Okay.
Reading pala to.
Oops. Okay, yung mga nakaya. Ayan, nahanap naman pala. Ikaw wala, pag higher din, nahahanap pa rin. Okay. Thank you so much, baby girl. I got here your... Asan na yun? Kay Kuya Melvin na ba? Kay Kuya Melvin daw. Ay, Diyos ko po, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Wow! 1,000 pesos! Let's give her a round of applause for our most rested kakatu, Ola. Thank you so much, Ola. Now, I got here your 1,070 pesos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Very, very much. I think it will be enough for my Starbucks later. Bakit bigla kayo nanahimik ngayon? May problema ba tayo ng violent reaction? Bakit wala umiinig sa inyo? May problema ba tayo, guys? No! Sabi ni Madam, gusto kita magkama. Okay. Bakit yung iba nakasimangot? Okay, now we'll see that later. Now for the owner of 50 pesos, where are you? For the baby boy, is it okay kung kay ate na lang? Hindi! Sige, mamaya upo ka muna. Pag-usapan natin.